It's been a few days since we did a review. Definitely going to jump around a little bit on this video. Here's some thoughts that we had, or I had, on the electric or electronic throttle for the twin, which also can be implemented for drones and regular airplanes. Did a whole lot of research on seats, came up with this all aluminum 90,000s bucket seat, and scanned it with my scanner to get it into the CAD program. And from there, we were able to manipulate it and make mounts for it. Also had upholstery available for this particular seat. There's so many parts to an airplane. Here's the glare shield for the twin. Basically a print of something that's turning into a plug. And we're going to do a mold of that, and we'll show that in a second. Got my Amazon Pig rotisserie up and going, extended it with a 4130 tube, put some counterweights on it, and we're able to swing the much longer mold for the nacelle behind the engines. And here it is. I'm swinging it so we can get a nice thick layer of PVA, or polyvinyl acetate. It's a plastic film that we put in the molds, and it's just really helpful prior to making the part. And the big moment, one cowling and a nacelle all put together. One thing is swinging the nacelle mold around, but now we got a wingtip on the other side as a counterweight, and it worked out really good. So now we're prepping the wingtip and the mold at the same time. A lot of work, but also turning out really nice. Nice shiny cowlings and nacelles for the prototype twin. Here you can see the process of pulling the PVA off the finished part. It's really a nice thing to be able to have that plastic film as a parting thing between your mold and your part. Starting to implement the fiberglass spring for the nose wheel, and also the seat with the upholstery for it. Here's a little walk around. There's the nose of the airplane, so got to make a mold of that. And here's the plane on the CAD screen next to the printer in the workshop. There she is. Down here is we had a left and a right. You have to make two molds for the wingtips because they're different, obviously. And the elevator has been worked on little by little. Did not design the center section in CAD, so here's the arm or the horn for the push-pull rod to move it. And then we're walking into the other side. We got the completed nacelle. They're basically the cowling ahead of it and the nacelle behind it. And there's one mocked up with a little bit of tape to just kind of see what it would look like up against the wing. So a lot has happened since the last time I posted to the 30-day challenge, but here it is.